Prime Minister Modi has spoken on women's safety amid gender crimes. There's several laws in the country which address the issue of women's safety, is what he says. In 2019, the fast-track courts law was passed. Under this, witness deposition centers were created. District monitoring committees play an important role, is what he says. We must ensure to strengthen these committees further, and the faster verdicts are delivered in issues of women's safety is what we as a society should be looking at.
अपना की योजना बनाई थी। इसके तहत अहम गवाहों के लिए डिपोजिशन सेंटर्स का प्रावधान है। इसमें भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट मॉनिटरिंग कमेटीज की भूमिका महत्वपूर्ण हो सकती है। इस कमेटी में डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज, डीएम और एसपी भी शामिल होते हैं। क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम के विभिन्न पहलुओं के बीच समन्वय बनाने में उनकी भूमिका अहम होती है। हमें इन कमेटियों को और अधिक सक्रिय करने की जरूरत है। महिला अत्याचार से जुड़े मामलों में जितनी तेजी से फैसले आएंगे, आधी आबादी को सुरक्षा का उतना ही बड़ा भरोसा मिलेगा।
Okay, so Prime Minister Modi is speaking on women's safety, and we've seen this from the Prime Minister on a few occasions now, ever since the Kolkata rape case took place. He's said that we have to ensure that verdicts are faster on in such cases. Let me go across to Kanu Sharda for more on this. Kanu, at a time where we are seeing an exchange of letters, we are seeing this become a center versus state battle. Somewhere there, a message from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Mamata Banerjee and the government.
Yes, yeah, very right, Akshat. The issue raised by the Prime Minister is at the National Conference of the District Judiciary. I mean, the District Judiciary is the backbone of the judicial system, and that's why, he has stressed on the fact that, if we don't have faster judicial verdicts on the crimes against women and children, things would won't, be on a fast track. Even if the new laws are in place after the 2012 Nirbhaya case, and now the RG Medical College rape case that we have seen, the Supreme Court has also taken a suo motu cognizance of the same. But on the same hand, if the trial in the case didn't take place at a faster pace, people lose track of the case. People feel that they didn't get justice. The parents in this particular RG case will certainly feel that if the trial is not, it will take at least 10 to 12 years in this case. This is what, the Prime Minister was wanting to highlight, that, we need to have a faster justice delivery system so that the victims in the cases of women and children shouldn't feel that, they didn't get the justice. And that is why the Prime Minister went on to say that we have all the laws in place, we have the infrastructure in place, but still our judicial system takes a lot of time, and that needs to be cut down. Back to you.
Thank you, Kanu, for all those updates. Prime Minister Modi sending out a clear message in terms of women's safety at a time where the incident at the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata has become a hotly debated topic and has sparked concerns with regards to safety of women at workplaces across the nation.